Hello there, let's talk today about this Arlo camera essentials, not connecting to the Wi-Fi, okay? So basically I have the camera here, and when I try to use the app, it doesn't work. If I come here to add a new device, let me just show you what happens. I select here camera, then here I need to select the model of the camera, so essential series, and here essential cameras, and essential, okay? And here I need to use a 2.4 gigahertz network, so I just click here, I enter my password. Let me just show you here. So here we go, it's the password for my Wi-Fi. Then I hit return and continue, okay? Now it's time to just push the button here for 2 seconds so you can start the process of the camera. So the camera you can find the camera network in theory, right? Then starts blinking here. And let's go, continue. Read the QR code. So I hear the chime and hit continue, okay? And the problem here is that it keeps that way forever, looking for your camera, and nothing happens after that, right? So it's an issue here with this Arlo camera. So I need to find a way to solve it. I tried to restart my router. I tried to connect to a different router and it doesn't work, right? That happens a lot with Arlo camera. So what I have to do in this case is try a different router, try to restart a router as I did before. If it doesn't work yet, you need to reset your camera. So what I have to do is just come here to this button and press now for 15 seconds, right? Let me just do this. Okay, now you see that there's difference here. So it's blinking differently with a different color here. It's more like an amber color. Now you have to start the process all over again and look for your camera, right? So just need to wait a little bit for the camera to boot up again because it's resetting itself, and we're gonna start the process all over again. So let me just come back here to the previous screen. Here we go, I'm selecting my camera, and here I press for 2 seconds again. Here we go, one more time. 1, 2 seconds. Let it go. Here we go, now it's blue again. Let's try one more time. Essential cameras here. Essentials, 2.5 gigahertz. Enter my password here for my network. There you go. Return, continue. Continue again. And one more time, reading the QR code. You need to find the correct distance. Here we go. Then you hear this chime. Just hit continue. And now it's looking for the camera again. And here we go. Camera was found. And then it's going to work. I just named the camera. Let's say just camera. Continue. It's connecting again. Let's just put the camera here so you can see some image from this camera. Here we go, back there. It's checking for updates right now. And here we go, it's up to date. I just hit continue here. The camera is not active. Just hit finish. And I come here to devices. And let's check my camera. Let's see if it's working now. And here we go. Now my camera is working. And I'm good to go, okay? There's some latency the first time that you connect your camera. You see, I put my hands there. And it takes some time to update. But still working fine, okay? So that's the way you can solve this problem with this Arlo Essential camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. First, you try to restart your router, try to connect to a different router, check the password for the Wi-Fi. If it doesn't work, you just restart your camera by pressing the button for 15 seconds, and then you start the process again, okay? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.